It can be frustrating sitting 8 hours every day before a computer in a bad posture. Almost every computer user in their lifetime makes this mistake. And we're all doing it, well, most of the time. A poor posture is what leads to most body pains, cramps, and other discomforts. An employee should not adapt to a workplace where everything leads to discomfort. The workplace should be a place that ensures its employees' comfort level by bringing ergonomics. Introducing Ergonomics Single 17 to 32 Monitor Mount Electric Ergonomic Height Adjustable Sit-Stand Desk Converter Workstation, which is the perfect solution for offices and home. With our electric sit-stand converter desk, you can convert your existing workspace to a fully adjustable one. To make things even more comfortable, you don't have to manually adjust the height of the stand because its electric function makes it automatic. Furthermore, this workstation is perfect for monitor screens from 17 to 32 inches and hides cord clutter, making your workspace very clean. This electric desktop sit-stand workstation works without any major desk overhauls, saving space while allowing the freedom to adjust to your preferred sitting and standing heights. The powerful motor lifts heavy loads with just the push of a button. One size does fit all, with a minimum of 45mm and a maximum of 465mm height adjustable range accommodates different sizes. The 360-degree, rotatable, swiveling and tiltable visor plate satisfies perfect viewing angles. The detachable design ensures an easy and quick installation. The desktop organizer also offers an extra storage for smaller items. The cable management keeps everything organised, and the quality desktop surface resists spills and scratches with plenty of area to get the job done. Perfect for any home or office work environment. To install, find the screws from the pack and screw them into their respective positions as shown. Then connect the steel base of the desk to the vertical pillar by using the screws. Since it is electric, grab the power cord and electric socket and connect the power cord to the workstation and to the electric socket. Next is to fix the mount for the screen with the available screws. Make sure this is as tight as possible as it will hold your monitor screen. Then attach the monitor holder to the back of the screen and tightly fit it with 4 screws. With that done, lift the screen to the workstation and attach to the holder to the pillar. To maintain a neat working environment, you can tuck the wire of the computer behind the vertical pole. And with that done, the electric monitor mount is ready to use. With better health and productivity as our biggest motivation, visit our website to place an order today and take charge of your body posture and health.